Hello, and welcome to Shane's Microscope. I'm Shane, and this is my microscope. Let's take a peek. Today's sample comes from my windowsill. I found this little fly there. I believe this is what we call here a drain fly, and I wanted to take a closer look at it. So let's check that thing out. Well, it's certainly a lot fuzzier than I was imagining. Here I'm just front lighting it with a flashlight under my microscope. I think we'll be able to look at the wing properly under the compound microscope, but for the rest of this it's going to be too opaque to be backlit, so flashlight. Yeah, we can see some interesting details on the wing structure. I think I'm going to go ahead and take this wing off so we can flatten it out and zoom in. Well, even the wing is way hairier than I was expecting. So this is of the subfamily Psychodinae, which comes from the Greek psyche for butterfly or moth. And looking further into that etymology, it appears to be a word used for spirit or animating principle. So I thought that was really interesting. Up close we can see the whole thing is really bristly. I'm curious what function all of those little bristles serve. And I think this might be a leg or antennae that had broken off. And we can see that it's surrounded by little scales, very similar to like what we see on a butterfly. And those look really neat. I think these are what compose the sort of powder that the moths and stuff leave behind on surfaces, these little scales. Well, hey, that was a neat little look at this drain fly. Certainly had a lot more fuzz and a lot more going on with it than I expected. And, that's why we gotta check stuff out. Alright, well, I think we'll leave it there for the day. Thanks for having a look with me. Until next time. Keep on peeking.